Gary O'Shea. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please like and share. There's more on the channel, always cars in summer. The following commentary includes excerpts from Harold S. Becker's Corporate Strategies of Automotive Manufacturers, report date 1978, prepared by the Futures Group.
In no other American car will you find this, an optional swing-away steering wheel that moves over to welcome you in, then pivots smoothly back to the normal driving position. Or this, a rear-view mirror permanently bonded to the windshield to give you a better view of the cars you leave behind.
In 1962, Ford Motor Company introduced its first intermediate class-sized car, continuing the 50s era name Fairlane. At 197 inches in overall length, it parked right between the smaller Falcon and the larger Ford Galaxie. There was a choice of a standard 170 cubic inch six-cylinder or a specially designed small block 221 cubic inch engine of 143 horsepower. A mid-year sports coupe option featured bucket seats and a small floor console. Fairlane 500's trim new size still maintained the comfort of a next step up, and the V8 gave it performance of the bigger cars, yet it was actually priced below many compacts. Other new mid-year 1962 lively ones introduced by Ford included the Falcon Sports Futura and Ford's Galaxie500XL. The Ford Mustang was a huge success in 1964 with over 400,000 unit sales in its first year. Also that year, the Mercury Comet Caliente hit the road, becoming the 100,000-mile durability champion. By 1964, Ford models like the Galaxie500XL, the Fairlane, and other Mercury models, including the Comet, were all V8 models in class responding to the racing muscle car trend. The mid-1960s was a period when consumers showed considerable interest in high-performance cars or muscle cars. In 1965, the Ford full-size range Galaxie model offered its pride of the line, the limousine-like LTD trim with high-end options and features. Of course, Ford stock cars of the day bore little resemblance to the all-new LTD showroom models, which were billed as being quieter than a Rolls-Royce. Now here she is, revving that Cobra II, Cheryl Ladd.